everyone, this is Aishwarya and welcome to Beauty with Coach. So guys, what I personally believe is when it comes to placements, your subject knowledge or your technical skills will definitely help, no doubt. But apart from these things, you must focus on English, you must focus on aptitude, isn't it? I mean, and many other things are there. So in this video, we are going to focus on English. Okay, and for that, I am taking GD as a reference. After that, I'll share some tricks to improve English. Okay, so if you want those tricks, please make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you share it with your friends too. They may also find this video helpful, so please do this. Sharing is caring. Okay, so let's discuss about GD or group discussion. See, you may consider GD as selection round, but trust me guys when I say it's not at all a selection round. It is an elimination round. Why I am saying this? Because group size may range from 10 people to 20 people depending on crowd, isn't it? And from every group, 1 or 2 people, maximum 3, get selected. After that, all others get eliminated. That's why I said this an elimination round. I hope you understood. So how can you do well in GD round? 2 things are there which must work parallelly. First, you must be knowing the topic. Second, your English should be good. Why I am saying this? See, let's say your English is very good and you don't know the topic. No matter how good your English is, if you don't know the topic, you won't be able to speak. What will you speak? Isn't it? And if you know the topic and your English is not good, even after knowing the things, you won't be able to deliver. So yes, these should work parallelly. So okay, let's talk about first part, or knowing the topic. How can you know the topic? I mean, in GDs, you will get the topic at that particular moment only. See, topics are normally current affairs. So make sure you read at least 2 newspapers a day so that you will be updated with these current affairs. Okay, so topic may be related to politics, may be related to business, finance, Bollywood, Hollywood, fashion, lifestyle, anything. But yes, trust me, it will be of current affairs. So yes, for knowing the topic, make sure you read at least 2 English newspapers a day. Why English? Because this will help you to improve your English. This will help you to improve your vocabulary too, isn't it? So that's why make sure you read at least 2 newspapers in a day. Okay, now move to the second part, how to improve English. That is something which excites everyone, isn't it? See, first thing and the first trick to improve any language, I'm not talking about English, any language, is to speak. Okay, yes, it is to speak. So yes, make sure you speak in English with your friends, with your siblings, and sometimes with yourself too. This will definitely help. Okay, so and one more thing guys, there is no shame in making mistakes. You may have some friends who will make fun of you. That is totally okay. I mean, we make mistakes in our mother tongue, and if that is acceptable, then why making mistakes in English is not acceptable? English is also a language and nothing else. It is a language. So yes, we can make mistakes in it. If we can make mistake in our mother tongue, then why can't we make mistake in English? We can definitely make mistakes. Okay, try to improve yourself every day, that is fine. But there is no shame in making mistakes. Okay, so be confident about yourself and speak. Speak with people around. Speak with your friends, speak with your siblings, and sometimes with yourself. This will definitely help. So this is trick number 1. And what about trick number 2? Make sure you read at least 2 English magazines a week. Okay, so 2 English magazines. Why I am saying magazines? Because if you are someone who is interested in fashion, you will read fashion magazine, and the topic is something which really excites you. So you'll pay attention to it. So you will learn something from it. You will definitely improve your vocab. You will definitely improve your grammar, and so many things will be improved. Trust me. So make sure you read at least 2 English magazines a week. Okay. And the third trick, make sure you read at least 1 novel a month. 1 novel a month. Why I am saying this? Because novels generally have some difficult words, and when if you find any difficult word, make sure you know that word. Okay, you can check those words on Google, or you can use any dictionary or whatever you want, and try to use that word. Okay, so if you don't use that word, you will definitely forget. So if you find something or some new word, please try to use that word as much as you can. Okay, so this will also help. So this was trick number 3. So first, speak. Second, novel. Third, magazine. Okay, and one more thing, guys, make sure if you seriously want to improve your grammar, okay, and if you want to improve your English grammatically, then start writing. This will also help. Okay, it's not like how many people are watching your blogs or not. You start blogging. This will also help. And there are so many blogging websites present in these days, so please go and register for free and write on whatever you want. You may write on gardening, you may write on fashion, you may write on anything of your choice. Okay, so you will definitely gain some more knowledge on that particular topic. And if you feel you're writing for a crowd and you're writing for a public, then you will definitely try your best to write, and this will surely improve your writing, and this will definitely improve your English. Okay, so this surely helps. So please give it a try. Start writing. No matter, maybe no people watch your blog for 1 day, 2 day, and after like writing 4-5 blogs, maybe people start watching your blogs. Fine, you may have, let's say, 4 to 5 viewers. It is okay. It is definitely okay. Fine. Okay, only 4 people are watching my blog. It is okay. Your blogs may be seen by 400 people in let's say next month, next 2-3 months. Okay, so yes, make sure you start writing. This seriously help. This really help. So yes, these are the tricks which I wanted to share. Please try these tricks, or at least few of them. This will definitely help you. And please, at least for a month, try these tricks, and then after a month come to this video again and let me know in comment section if it has helped you or not. So yes, on this note, I'm wrapping up this video. So stay healthy, stay fit, love you all the best for your exams. So this is Aishwarya signing off. Bye bye.